The new millennium promises a world of computer-literate gurus who in today's society would be considered technologically elite. The best jobs in the future will go to those who are best prepared.
Unfortunately, access and availability of technology for the have-nots is still so limited that we run the risk of alienating a huge population of people whose situation in life, and not their intellect, will limit their capacity to compete in the 21st century workforce.
The people of the Middle Rio Grande region along the Texas and Mexico border are among those affected by this digital divide.
The region is one of the poorest in the United States. Although population in these areas continues to increase, they remain severely undereducated and highly unemployed. The doors of opportunity are rapidly closing upon them.
Futuro, Families United to Utilize Regional Opportunities, is striving to keep these doors open.